Many competitions, such as the Tasmanian RoboCup competitions, require that the robot be run and controlled by its program autonomously. This means that the student should be able to start and stop the robot even when the student's laptop is turned off. This could potentially be a problem with Fusion because of the wireless connection. However, it is possible to make a Blockly wrapper around the student's function to simulate autonomous running. This is the type of program which could simulate that starting and stopping ability by pressing the touch sensor. This is a very short program which drives Fusion forward for 1 second at a speed of 40 and then back for 1 second at a speed of 40. It is just an example program which can be any student program. Now, when Start is pressed on the student's laptop, this program starts running, but the only parts which will start running are the ones which are outlined in blue. The global variables run now will be set to 0, and the touch sensor is not being pressed, so nothing happens there. It won't repeat because run now is 0 and not 1. So we wait 2 seconds, it goes back and it checks again to see if the touch sensor is pressed. If it's not, it goes back. And so the only parts it will do are those outlined in blue. However, when the student presses the touch sensor, the parts outlined in blue are the ones that actually run now. First, the student's program or function, my function, is run. During this function run, if the student wants to end that particular run themselves, they can set run now to 0. If the student doesn't do that and wants it to continue running but be turned off by the touch sensor, then the student leaves variable run now alone, and it can be set 0 by the student pressing the touch sensor after my function has run.